Hello friends, this is team 1. We are here to explain our data set. So basically our data set is video game sales and data set. We have some raw data set from as a CSV format, and we need to pre-process it, and we created some pivot charts and we started doing it dashboard. We have our output. So initially let's start our raw data. So this is our raw data. Our main theme is to pre-process this data from missing values, negative values and duplicate values. Raw data has been pre-processed. So let's see our pre-processed data. So next worksheet is our pre-processed data. This data contains around 7 columns. Lastly, we have global sales. Each game has its own sales. We have pre-processed it manually. Need to create our pivot table and pivot charts. So pivot table and pivot charts. We can see a filter, year, platform, genre. If a user needs a game which is released in 2004 and it should be contain any console, but it should be in a action game. We can see we have some games like Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Spider-Man 2, The Incredibles. So the user can easily understand the table using filter. So next we need to create a dashboard for this. Lot of slicers to implement in a graph. So uncheck this filter. I'm taking Grand Theft Auto 5. So this game contains around 4 consoles. Each console has its own global sales. We have 2.14 for PS3 and upcoming values are in these consoles respectively. You can also select from platforms. You can press PS4. You can see these much games available in PS4. This jamming data are due to large data. If you filter more, you can see the exact value. I am selecting Ubisoft PS4 games. You can see these much games are available. This graph also shows the dashboard table behind it. You can see which game is available here. Watch Dogs is the PS4 game, has the highest sale value of 4.14, and regarding we have Far Cry 4, Assassin's Creed Unity and all games. These are the modern games. We can select as we can see by giving some filters. We can also give a genre like action games. You can get dashboard table. These games are available in dashboard. So coming up next is the dashboard. We have a game dataset. If you select a game in a slicer, like I'm selecting Left 4 Dead 2, you can see this Xbox 360 console has the sale of 3.99, and you can also select any game to see its global sale. I'm selecting Grand Theft Auto 4. You can see the console PS3, Xbox 3. So Xbox 3 has the highest sale. Also you can see Grand Theft Auto 5 differentiates 4 other consoles, but PS3 stands still for highest global sale. Like this, we can go to next database. Here we have a publisher filter. This jamming data is also due to large data. If you filter this, you can see exact value. I am selecting Namco Bandai Games, which is famous in Japan. It has totally 41.22 global sale. Totally, if you select Ubisoft Games, it has the highest 189.05. Like this, you can give a filter and check the publisher's global sales. So finally we have completed our project. So this is the conclusion. Stage 1, take a data set from Kaggle.com, convert from CSV to Excel format. Then stage 2 is pre-processing your data. You need to pre-process your data manually. Make sure you check the data, do not have negative values or any missing values. You make sure to pre-process your data perfectly so that we can do pivot tables and pivot charts perfectly. After pre-processing, we need to create a pivot table and pivot chart. So pivot table, pivot charts are like a table which shows games and publishers with filters, and dashboard is also used for creating filters to differentiate each other console with other games. At last, we need to add some colors and some background and ambience to look attractive, and it helps the user to understand what the data set conveys. So this is our project. Thank you for watching.